Before use, a series of preparatory work is required. First, check the battery power. Press the battery button to ensure that the battery level is not lower than 20%. Product on a horizontal and sturdy countertop or ground to ensure the stability of the equipment. Then, perform the oil filling operation. Slowly pour the special vacuum oil to the middle position between the min and max oil level lines of the sight glass, and avoid rapid oil filling, which may cause the oil to overflow or the oil level to exceed the max line. Connect the vacuum pipeline, 1/4 SAE, to the air inlet and tighten it. Then, carefully check the sealing condition of the pipeline to ensure there is no leakage. Install the lithium battery, press the power button to start the equipment, open the intake valve of the vacuum pipeline, and the vacuum pump will start working for the vacuuming operation. After the work is completed, press the power switch again to turn off the vacuum pump, remove the battery, close and remove the pipeline valve, and finally tighten the air inlet cap to prevent particulate matter from entering the pump chamber. It should be noted that a short press of the power button is used to turn the device on, off, and a long press can turn off the power supply. The split Bluetooth operation handle can achieve remote operation within 30 meters, getting rid of the inconvenience of bending over and kneeling down to get close to the pump body. Focus on the stop button on the main interface, and long press the knob button for 3 seconds to turn off the device. The knob button is easy to operate. Rotating it left and right is used to switch the focus, and pressing it is for confirmation. In the measurement interface, the vacuum degree of the system and the temperature, including the upper and lower limit alarm temperatures and the real-time temperature value, are displayed in real time. The working target vacuum value can also be set, with the default value being 0. After selecting the vacuum setting, turn the knob button counterclockwise to increase the value and clockwise to decrease the value, and then press to confirm. The task progress bar and the vacuum progress bar respectively display the task progress in the intelligent mode and the state of the simulated mercury vacuum gauge, which is convenient for users to keep track of the working process in real time. The waveform interface presents the vacuum curve and vacuum value graphically. The horizontal axis represents time, and the vertical axis represents the vacuum degree. You can perform start and stop operations through the icon buttons, and you can also return to the home page, which is convenient for users to switch interfaces at any time. The settings interface has rich functions. You can select a variety of pressure units, and users can also adjust the startup running speed in the current mode according to their needs and select different working modes. In the normal mode, by default, all settings are set to 0 and invalid. You need to manually turn the device on, off, or it will automatically turn off when the battery runs out. In the vacuum mode and hold mode, turn the device on, off manually. After the vacuum value meets the set value, it will automatically turn off after running for the set time. In the auto mode, users can set the A, C, P parameters in auto, and the system will automatically match the remaining parameters and turn off automatically after the work is completed. The user mode allows users to set parameters by themselves according to actual needs. And the product will run according to the set parameters. The parameter settings will be automatically saved. If you need to restore the factory settings, you can refer to the relevant operations in the E interface. It is recommended to use the intelligent variable speed mode, hold mode/auto mode, which can greatly increase the battery time, up to 100 minutes at most. In the system interface, you can check the cumulative running time of the vacuum pump motor. You can obtain the app client by scanning the app QR code. The peripheral devices are turned off by default. After they are turned on, you can connect a mini vacuum gauge for high precision measurement. The alarm prompt is turned off by default and needs to be manually turned on. The recording switch is turned off by default, and you can turn the recording on or off as needed. You can also switch the system language. The D interface records various events during the operation of the product, including tasks, alarms, faults, etc. At the same time, you can set the time in this interface. Set the time to a specific value, 2012 to 12, 2115 to 14, XX, click the Home button, and wait for the time to jump to the local time before the operation. After turning off the device and turning it on again, the system will restore the factory settings. The app client provides users with a more convenient remote control experience. After searching for and adding the device in the device adding interface, enter the vacuum pump control interface, and you can turn the vacuum pump on or off, view the vacuum curve, set a variety of parameters, such as the estimated completion time, basic function parameters, temperature, vacuum degree unit, holding vacuum value, holding time, horsepower, motor speed, etc.